Hi, welcome to 360.tours. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add aerial images to your virtual tour. So this episode is all about aerial imaging and how you can add aerial images to your Matterport tours, to your regular tours. And towards the middle of the video, I'm going to show you how you can add aerial images even if you don't have aerial images. So let's get started, and the pictures today are from Luxury Imaging. A shout out to Marcia and the crew at Luxury Imaging. They just take wonderful drone images, and this is just a beautiful image of a hotel called the Lido House. And what they've done here is combined 5 different Matterport tours of the hotel, which I like, and they've taken a drone image of the hotel, and it just puts the entire hotel into perspective, and you can go into each room, like you can go into the Collins cottage and see what the cottage is and all the details of it. And this is the Matterport 3D model, so you can view all of it, walk around the house, and once you're done you can close it out. What I liked about this is that they put some custom markers. So for example, they put this as the Nobu restaurant. You can click on it and it'll give you, this is a regular image, it's not a Matterport image of the Nobu restaurant, and people can come in and they can look around the restaurant, and then when you're done you close it. They could have opened the image in here, but they chose to open in a new window. That could be done too. So this is street view. So they've added different markers. You can add a video if you like. And what's nice about this is that you can see the entire area. If the hotel can showcase the hotel and how beautiful the surrounding area is. So the second image that I want to show is of a home. They've also added the tour here, and this shows this is an aerial image showing the proximity to the beach or to the ocean. And what's beautiful is that it gives the house a completely different perspective. So you can, as a photographer, you can just do the Matterport tour or whatever tour that is and send it to the real estate agent, or you can do you can take a nice drone image if you can. If you can't take a drone image, then I'll show you how to just grab an aerial image online, and you can turn that into your tour. You can add it to your tour. So here again, once you're done with the house, you can tour the entire house, close it out. And again, it gives the house a much better perspective when you add an aerial image, right? It's a completely different tour. It's just more enticing to the person viewing the tour. One more tour aerial I want to image before I dive into how you can add your aerial images when you don't have one. So again, this is another aerial image by Luxury Imaging. Beautiful drone image here, and you can look around. And they've added a custom marker here to show that this is a San Antonio lake, and this is the home we're looking at. This is a 3-bedroom house coming soon, so they've added this nice icon. Again, you can add regular images, Matterport images, videos, and whatever else you think can make the virtual tour better. So now let's say that you don't have an aerial image, you don't have a 3D aerial image. How are you going to get your image? So let's go to the Lido House, and what we've done is I've downloaded this picture. This is a 2D image. I've downloaded it from Google Maps, and you can find it on Google Maps. And what you want to do is to create this, we want to add the Matterport tours or any other virtual tour or 360-degree image to this picture. You can log into your 360.tours dashboard, scroll all the way down to your photos, and what we've done here is we've uploaded this picture here. So let's click on the pencil icon to edit the picture. And now once in here, you see this is the picture. I've added 2 Matterport tours over here. You can add regular 360-degree images. And let's add one more. So I've added this one, the Collins and the Linda cottage. We're gonna add the Harbor cottage. So I open the Matterport tour just to get the link from it. I grab the link and I close it out. And what you wanna do here, it's very easy. You just right click and you place a marker, and that's it. I click on the pencil icon. I'm adding a Matterport tour here, I paste the link over here. If you wanted to add, and here, let's call it the Harbor Cottage, and I can save it. And so now I have the tour here, and if I go into the image, I refresh it, and you can see that the tour is already here. I've added it even without an image. So I didn't have an aerial image. I didn't have a 360-degree image. Now this is of course not as beautiful as this image where you can look around, but it's still a 2D image. It gives the hotel a nice view, and then, you know, people can go into the cottage, the Matterport tour normally, as if, you know, you had a regular image. You close it out, and they're back in here. And that's it. That's how you add an aerial image, even if you don't have one. If you do have any questions, do let us know. Try 360 Tours, sign up for free, and try our virtual tour service. Thank you.